Unit 3, Lesson 2, Product Rule. In our last video, we saw that if our function is just the sum of two other functions, so if f of x is a of x plus b of x, then the derivative is just the sum of the derivatives. So f prime of x is just a prime of x plus b prime of x. Same with subtraction. Subtraction works the same way. However, with multiplication, that's actually not going to work. So if f of x is a of x times b of x, then f prime of x is not going to be a prime of x times b prime of x. Instead, we're going to follow the product rule. Product rule says that if f of x is a times b, then f prime is a times b prime plus a prime times b. In other words, if f is the product, we multiply two parts, part 1 and part 2, then the derivative is going to be part 1 times the derivative of part 2 plus part 2 times the derivative of part 1. Here's an example. We'll look at two examples in this video. Example 1, f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 4x plus 7 times 5x plus 3. So f of x is composed of two parts. Part 1 is 2x cubed plus 4x plus 7, which is 6x squared plus 4. Part 2 is 5x plus 3. The derivative is 5. So by the product rule, the derivative of fx, f prime of x, is a times b prime, which is 2x cubed plus 4x plus 7 times 5, plus b times a prime, which is 5x plus 3 times 6x squared plus 4. Okay. Notice that our original function is of order 4 because the highest order term is 10x to the 4th power. And in our derivative, not surprisingly, the highest order term is x cubed. We have 10x cubed here, and then more over here. And that makes sense because 10x to the 4th, if we take the derivative, it's going to be 40x cubed. Here we have 10x cubed over here. Here we have 30x cubed. Add them up and you get 40x cubed. Okay. Next, example 2. F of x is 10x cubed plus 5x squared plus 7x plus 3. And the second part is 5x squared minus 3x minus 6. Let's just take the derivative of the first two parts quickly. So the derivative of this part is going to be 30x squared plus 10x plus 7. The derivative of part 2, b prime of x, is going to be 10x minus 3. So the derivative f prime of x is going to be the first part, 10x cubed plus 5x squared plus 7x plus 3 times the derivative of the second part, 10x minus 3 plus our derivative of the first part, 30x squared plus 10x plus 7 times our second part, 5x squared minus 3x minus 6. That's it. In the homework assignment, you don't have to worry about simplifying all of this. If you can apply the product rule correctly and get here, you're okay. So that's a correct answer. Okay. That's it for this video.